fuck boys. Fucking look like they got trust boss. Yeah, full of hate, I'ma kill y'all. Sick you riding on blaze like a hot boy. Ay, 50K on the chain. Great, that's a gang. Load the case, leave a stain. Fucking biting on my brain. Split it back up with the cock out like a menace. Give me a minute, I'ma make sure that it's finished. If I'm riding, better call and say your penis. Should've listened to your bitch in the beginning. Ay, yeah, YKILLER. So many bodies made a hobby at the ER. Rolling my eyes, smoking a Gotti for my leisure. Within the miles, pumping the shot, trick or squeeze up. Breaking a bitch, swerving the beans, fucking the mans. Gunning the fucking the murder, the pussy and her friend. My reality is hell, I don't pretend. Yeah, I just learned to blend in with the sin. Here we go again, here we go. Wanna come and try, sick it, you should know. I got 1,000 ways for you to end it, yellow tape. And I got plenty people around me, wanna run it right.
100K on the fuck boy. Fuck I look like, think I trust boys. Yeah, full of hate, I'ma kill joy. We be riding on blaze like a hot boy. Ay, 50K on the chain. Great, it's a gang. Load the case, leave a stain.
100,
Fucking right, I'm on my brain.
100K for the car, $500,000 for the addiction. They shipped me off the rehab cause I started questioning my existence. Give me them prescriptions and I show you repetition. Stubborn motherfucker, you know we never listen. Grade 5'9", by time to the grave. Time flying every day, it's on my name. I confined to the page until the spine and the stain is the only thing I made it. Pulling the Mercedes, bitch, I'm pushing the updates. Vision always blurry in my memory hazy. Way back then out the window, waving while I'm racing. Raising my hand to the sky until the angels